How does someone like you stand up against a lawyer in court? Asked Dean. When he was sued, Dean thought he could handle it. He had the facts on his side. All he needed was to tell his story. Easy. Finally, it was time for court. His opponent had a lawyer. Dean had facts. The judge asked him questions. The judge talked to the lawyer, who used words Dean didn't understand. Then, the gavel came down. Dean lost, and he hadn't even had a chance to tell his story. Jessie didn't know much about litigation either, but when she was sued, she turned to Courtroom5. Jessie uploaded and summarized her latest filing to her history. She used next steps to choose what to do or file next, and got rules related to her next step. In counts, she found affirmative defenses to plead and the requirements to prove them. In laws, she got cases to support her position. With everything in place, she generated a legal document, combining the rules, her facts, and case law. Jessie repeated this process throughout her case. On the day she appeared in court on her motion to compel discovery, she wasn't intimidated by the lawyers. Her opponent tried to withhold information, and she didn't let him. She won. Even the judge was impressed. He asked her, "Who wrote that motion up for you?" Be like Jessie, not like Dean. Learn to compete with a lawyer at Courtroom5.